Hello, welcome back to the channel. Good afternoon, I am Hazeland as always. This afternoon I am making the original Trini coconut drops. I'm using the original coconut drops recipe with the exception of there's a twist in it. The twist is that we now put fruits, dried fruits in our drops. Originally, like our, foreparents, great-grandparents, they never put mixed fruits in their drops. It was just the coconut and flour and the spices. So here we go. I'm going to put my ingredients in here now. I've got 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, which I'm going to rub in 2 ounces of butter into the flour. Okay. So you rub the butter into the flour, it will look like fine breadcrumbs when you're done. If you want, you could double your recipe, that you can have enough drops that you can enjoy. I'm just doing half of the recipe here, which is 1 cup of flour, to which I'm going to use 1 to 2 cups of grated coconut. If you like more coconut, it's your drops at the end of the day, so your taste, your flavor, so you can alternate as you choose. It's not a cake, so you don't have to be exact and precise. It will come out quite nicely after all. Right, so here we are. It's like fine breadcrumbs, and yes, it's all over my fingers. I'm going to add in my grated coconut here now. Yeah. And let me just get this off. Then I'm going to add ½ cup of brown sugar. If you like your dessert sweeter, you can add more sugar, it's your choice. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, grounded cinnamon. One teaspoon of baking powder. I am going to add about ½ teaspoon of grated nutmeg, average. And of course, my ½ cup of mixed fruits, dried fruits. You can put fruits of your choice. You put cranberries, raisins, blueberries, cherries, whatever you choose to put. And look at it. See, it's all, color is all pretty already. And for liquid now, it's approximately ¼ cup of water. But as you know, we know some brands of flour are dry, more dry than some. So I'm going to put a ¼ cup here. And if more is needed, I'll put the remaining. Make sure everything is incorporated, it's binded together like a dough. You don't want it too wet. But you want it moist enough that you can use a spoon and drop it on a greased baking sheet. In the meantime, I have preheated my oven to 325 degrees. Alright, so it's all together. A dough mixture. So I'm going to scoop it now onto my grease baking tray. Let me clear this stuff from here. Whilst it's baking, I'm going to pause the video, clear up my dirty dishes, and then I'll come back to you. So here we go. I'm just going to put it here now. The shape doesn't matter, it's just dropping it. That's the idea of why it's called drops. I'm putting it by spoonfuls, yeah? A bit of a heaped spoonful. I'm trying to make 12 here, dozen. 1 dozen. Okay, so I will come back to you. I'm going to put it into the oven for about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, and I'll come right back to you. Okay? Okay, so here I am, guys, out of the oven. Yes, it's still hot. My drops, coconut drops, Trini style coconut drops. So as you can see, it's moist. And here are my fruits, and I'm going to have them, and you can try them, and you can give me your feedback, get back to me, let me know how it went. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.